My friends, it's time to do an updated coffee creamer video because I believe we did one years ago. The good news is there's some new ones on the market that are Bobby approved. The bad news is the old Stammy buys are worse than ever, so it's time to make an updated video. So if you put stuff in your Joe, what's the best, what's the worst, and why? Before we do the updated video, check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Thrive actually has some private label coffee creamers that are great, which I'll talk about in a second. But the reason why I love Thrive, sure, they're a 7-year supporter of my channel, but everything you would get pretty much at any grocery store is on Thrive, but it's cheaper. You save about 32 bucks per order and the box comes to your door. You don't have to go to the store if you don't want to. And when you click my link down below, you get 30% off your first order, a free gift up to 60 bucks, and it's 30 days risk-free, and I'll put all my favorite Thrive Market items in the description box. Less talking, more shopping, let's coffee it up. Let's go straight to Coffee Mate. Leilani, if you walked into many workplaces right now, how many would have Coffee Mate in there?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, right? People love it. It's quick, it's easy, it's cheap, and this is the epitome of a bad coffee creamer. The problem is almost all are like this. So you see this, #1 American coffee creamer. The funny thing is here, the first ingredient is corn syrup solids. Yet when you look at the nutritionals, it says 0 grams of added sugar. And it's like, if corn syrup's the first ingredient, how could it have 0 grams of added sugar? Because they're playing a little blackjack in front of our hands here. Look at the serving size. It's 3/4 of a teaspoon. This is a little trickery because the USDA says if you have under a certain amount of sugar or whatever per serving, you can call it 0 or sugar-free. But the first ingredient is corn syrup. Hocus pocus.
Oh my God, no.
Not cool. Okay, so that's strike #1. But the next ingredient is hydrogenated vegetable oil. That's how they, #1, make it shelf stable. But #2, it makes it rich and creamy. But when you have vegetable oil, which is already processed, refined, inflammatory, and hydrogenated, it makes it even more inflammatory, even more horrid for your health, and is GMO because it's coming from GMO sources. Bad news. How can it get worse, Bobby? Well, it can, because the flavoring in here is artificial flavor. It's not even a flavored variety. It's the original. It's the OG Leilani, and it has artificial flavors. But it's not just specific to this. I mean, you look at most any, like this one, International Delight, they're all gonna have that. So I just want to refresh everyone's mind. Now let's go over to another store, Whole Foods, and show you some better for you options. And they're not necessarily more expensive. Many of them are reasonable and on sale. Let's head over there right now. You know what's interesting? Some of the best coffee creamers actually live in the supplement section, and BU sale. This is cool. Vital Proteins collagen creamers on sale. This is not only collagen loaded, but the primary ingredient here is coconut milk. What lives in coconut milk? MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, great for your energy, great for your brain. This is great because it also has a full scoop, 10 grams of grass-fed, grass-finished collagen. There's no BS ingredients here. There was this whole Instagram BS a while back saying that there's heavy metals in Vital Proteins collagen. It was fake news. I got down to the bottom of that. It's totally safe. Don't get the flavored ones, because the flavored ones always have the dreaded natural flavors. But talk about coconut and collagen together, that's great. Let's say you want something different like this. How about collagen creamer with oat milk? The oats are organic. There's also avocado oil in here and the medium chain triglycerides. And there's grass-fed collagen. It's not on sale, but that's a great way to get the hair, skin, and nail and joint support. It's true. I'm 44 years old. As you get older, you lose the natural collagen in your body. That being said, how many Flave City fans have told me, who are slightly older, that when they start taking collagen, their joint pain goes away, and when they take it off or stop using it, it comes back? I'm a big believer in collagen. Combine that with coconut, combine that with quality oats, a great way to get creamer for your coffee. They used to have it here at Whole Foods, but not anymore. It's 100% grass-fed butter powder. It's really good if you're trying to gain weight, but it's also good as a coffee creamer. If you blend coffee with butter, you kind of create a bulletproof, and it sustains your hunger longer, and you can get a slower release of the caffeine. If you can find grass-fed butter powder online, that's great. Also, Thrive Market has a really good deal on coffee creamers. They have their brand of coconut creamer, and it's on sale right now for 36% off. When you click my link down below, you get another 30% off your first order and that free gift. That's fantastic too. Oh my goodness, it's on sale. This is one of the best liquid creamers, Layered, who you guys know I love, and they have a really good powdered creamer. Have these relatively new creamers that are liquid. And that sale price is ridiculous. I always talk about it. If you know how to shop Whole Foods for the sale prices, they're great. And this is Liquid Love. It's paleo creamer. So it's based out of coconut milk. This one's unsweetened, but it also has, boom, functional mushrooms down there. Functional mushrooms are great for cognition. A really high quality creamer. And even if you got the vanilla one, it's sweetened with 2 grams of sugar, but that sugar is coconut. So it's a paleo sweetener. This stuff is dynamite, and that price is great too. And right next to it, people love the Nutpods, but spoiler alert, every flavor except one of Nutpods, I don't care if it's coffee cake, French vanilla, everyone I've seen is always natural flavors. And you won't see any cakey ingredients in there. You don't see any vanilla in there. It literally is just natural flavors, which, as we know, is the biggest lie in the grocery store. But if you want a Nutpod, stick to the original one. The OG has no natural flavors. And yes, you might see a couple gums in there as an emulsifier. When you have dairy-free coffee creamer, it needs emulsifiers and gums to emulsify it or bring it together. That's okay because they're not excessive. So if you're a Nutpod fan, I would only get the original here because the other ones have the dreaded natural flavors. But it's tricky because even when you see something that looks healthy, look at this, organic oat creamer. Hey, Bobby says get organic oats. I'm gonna get this. But Bobby also says to read ingredients. And look at this. There's cane sugar to the tune of 4 grams, which is oh my God. 4 grams is a teaspoon. So for every tablespoon of this, you have a teaspoon of sugar, and they put canola oil and natural flavor. I don't give a if the canola oil is organic or not. It's still a processed inflammatory seed oil to be avoided. I think Joe Rogan was talking about seed oils this week on one of his podcasts. Bad news. And listen, this is the OG of coffee creamers, half and half. But it's kind of been updated lately because look at this. 100% grass-fed half and half. Half milk, half cream, but 100% grass-fed. Why is that cool? Because nutritionally speaking, grass-fed dairy is superior to regular milk, even organic milk. Organic milk is milk that comes from cows who eat grain, albeit organic grain, but cows are not supposed to eat grain. They're supposed to eat grass. This is a great way to get your coffee creamer on, super clean. If you're not gonna get that, at least get organic half and half. That means the cows are having a non-GMO feed, but this is super cool to see this. You know what I've been doing lately? I've been making a lot of cold brew coffees at home, and I take cold brew and I whip in pumpkin spice, ice, and then I put a little bit of this heavy cream in there. I'm a convert. I don't even drink hot coffee anymore. I love cold brew. It's lower acid, so easier on your tummy. The flavor of cold brew with this and pumpkin spice, oh, it's so good. Can you hear this song? I'll tumble for you. Reminds me of Billy Madison. The music here has been great today at Whole Foods. But that is it, my friends, for the best coffee creamers updated. It's really important to get the right ingredients in your creamer because, as you can see in the bad ones, they're going to have processed oils, artificial flavors, refined sugar. The good news is there's plenty of other good options out there, and a lot of them are on Thrive Market, like I said down below, including the Thrive Market coconut-based one. Check them out. Use my link down below. 30% off your first order, a free gift up to 60 bucks, and I'll put all of my favorite Thrive Market items down below in the description box. But from Whole Foods, one of my favorite places on the planet, I leave you like I always do. Hashtag keep on cooking, mad love, and peace.